Hi Dress It Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Starfire from Teen Titans Go. So let's get started. To draw a cute Starfire, let's first start by drawing her eyes since they're so prominent. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. And a nice big curve that comes down. And I'm going to come right across and do the same thing. So about right here. Go up and then come down. So just two big curves. From there, let's start to build her eye. So I'm going to come back to right here where we started, and I'm going to thicken this up and make this part a little bit sharper. But everything else here is going to be nice and thick and dark. Then from there, I'm going to come up here and draw her lashes. So big curve for the first one, nice and long, and then another one a bit shorter. And shade that all in as well. Then let's come underneath her eye right here, and I'm going to draw a big oval about right here and tuck it in. Then let's come in and draw another oval, and I'll come right here with a highlight. So draw a circle right here and shade everything else in. And then underneath her eye, we're just going to come right here and draw a soft curve. Lightly, just draw a soft curve right underneath and up. There. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Just thicken this curve and come down. So about right here, thicken it up, and then lashes, one long one and a shorter one, and shade it in. So if you're more comfortable drawing her face shape first and then putting in the eyes, you can definitely do that as well. So whatever is easiest. So from there, now that we have that in, same thing. We're going to come right into this space. Just sometimes when the eyes are so prominent, it's good to start with the eyes just to make sure you have that in, and then you can draw the face around it. Okay, so now I have that oval, and then I'm going to come in here once again with another oval, just like the other side. And circle right here for a highlight and shade it all in. And once again, a soft curve right underneath. There. Now that we have our eyes in, let's come to the center between her eyes, and right here I'm just going to draw a soft little curve for her nose, and underneath this nose about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a big smile for Starfire and cap it off. So cute, right? Okay, so then now to draw her face, I'm going to come out right here, kind of like where her eyes are really close. So I'm just going to start. It's going to come out about right here, and I'm going to round this part off for her cheek. So same thing here. And I want to bring this curve underneath the mouth a little bit sharper. So we'll come right here towards the bottom. Give it a little bit more angle, and towards the bottom right here in the center. And go ahead and come about right here. And then go up. There, so just creating a little bit more cheek area down here, and then it comes down to the center. Then from there, let's bring this up and bring this up. And I'm going to come to the center, so just find my center, say about right here. Give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw her bangs and come down with a curve. And same thing over here. Now that I have these two curves in, I'm going to come up again towards the center, just come up a little bit, about right here, give myself a point, and I'm going to go up. So come up, nice angle. I can start to come down, and about right here, just draw a curve, and then another curve that comes in. Finish it off. So same thing here, go up, about right there, and just like the other side, come down, right here. So we just want to make sure we're past the face, and then go up and connect. And in between, we can just, whatever space you have left, we're just going to come in here and just draw a soft curve. And let's finish this part off right here, whatever space you have left. Then let's come about right here, close to her face, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down right underneath her lash. And right here, I'm going to pop out her ear. So a little bit sharper right here, like an elf. And so same thing here. Just draw a curve that comes out. And once again, a little bit sharper and in. Then whatever space right here, we're going to draw, come through, a curve. So you can pop out her lashes a little bit more so it's not all caught in there. Imagine this coming through and out. So same thing here. So I'll pop this out so it has more angle. So you can see a little bit better. And then imagine this coming through and out. Okay, so I'll draw the rest of her hair after I finish her body, but I just realized I forgot her brow. So right in this curve, I'm going to come right here and draw a little teardrop shape that comes downwards, and another one right there. Now that we have that in, let's work on her body. So right underneath in the center area, give her a little neck right here, and let's cut it off. And then I'm going to draw this part right here that comes out, that curves out, and curves out. Her top, and then I'm going to come out and then bring it in. And connect. And now that we have this top part in, let's come right here. Imagine this would be kind of like where her armpits would be. I'm going to draw angle line down. And I'll bring it all the way down. I'm just going to flare it out a little bit. So let's keep going. Let's say about right here. I'll stop. Now that we're pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and connect with a curve. Come back in here for some details. So let's say about right here, I'm going to cut it off for her top and come right underneath in the center and draw an oval for her belt and connect it with a curve. There. So you have her outfit in. And then let's work on her legs. So come about right here, nice and thin. Right here and here. And I'm going to go straight down to say about right here. And this part is going to be nice and thin, and then it's going to start to flare out. Come down with a slight curve and then connect. So same thing over here. And nice and thin right here, and it's going to slowly start to come out and get thicker, and about right here. Connect. And so for some details, you can come right here and draw a curve. Curve right here. And come to the top and cut it off. So about right here, I'm going to draw 2 lines. And for her hands, so right in this area right here, we're going to come right here and draw a little angle line and angle. And I want her hands about in this area, so stop about right there. And I'm going to cut it off, do angle and angle. Then bring this down with a curve. We're still coming down in the same direction. Come down, and then we're going to come right here and connect with another angle and up. So just creating this shape right here where her hands are. And I'm going to come in here and draw a little thumb and fingers. So same thing on this side. Just make sure I'm ending about the same area and come out. And so once again, we're going to build that shape, angle, angle, down about right there, and then we're going to slightly curve, angle, and one more angle. And then her fingers right here, so thumb and fingers right here, there. And then for some details, let's come right here. We're going to draw this little angle shape right here and this curve at the bottom. Now shade that in and connect it. And she has that also as well here. So just going to make it like an oval. Make it easier. Angle out, and same thing here. There. And let's see, are we missing? Oh, and her hair, of course, right? So let's bring this down. Bring it down out. Nice and low towards her legs. And so about right here, I'll curve it out. In. And one more curve. And in. And continue being overlapped. So let's come over here. And connect. And then for this detail right here, let's finish this part off for this strand. So I'm going to come right here, zigzag, and then bring it right back up. So same thing here. Bring it down, zigzag, and then come right back up. So they're all done. I really hope you love my new Starfire from Teen Titans Go and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drawsticku videos. See you later.